Hi! In this video we're going to have a look at 7 English words that you're probably pronouncing wrong because about 90% of Spanish speakers tend to pronounce them wrong. So, let's go for it. Number 1. Focus. That's the king of mispronounced words by Spanish speakers. We say focus, focus, focus. As in the following sentence. Let's focus on that. Let's focus on that. Number 2, knowledge. I know. We say know, but knowledge. It's not knowledge, but knowledge. As in the sentence, what you're saying is common knowledge. Number 3, the word question. It's not question. That's a nice question. That's a nice question. Question. As in, can you please repeat your question? Number 4, the word realize. Stress on the first syllable, realize, not realize, but realize. As in the sentence, he realized that he was pronouncing this word incorrectly. Number 5, hotel. The stress pattern is actually the same as in Spanish, hotel, hotel. So it's not hotel. So we say hotel, as in I was staying in a nice hotel. Number 6, foreign and foreigner. So there is no eng consonant in this word. We don't say foreign, but foreign, foreign and foreigner. As in, the hotel was full of foreigners. And number 7, develop and development. So it's not develop, but the stress is on the second syllable, develop and development. As in, she needs to develop this further.